Hi friends, finally I am back with my another video. First of all, I would like to thank you for appreciating me because your words of appreciation really inspired me to put more efforts. So my this video is for the students who get stuck at 6 and 6.5 bands in their writing module and they dream to get 7 bands, especially the GT students because they need to get 7 band for express entry, and the people who are not doing IELTS should also watch this video because English is not privilege, it is a right for all of us. So let's begin with writing. Let me first give you brief description about the essay. The essay consists of minimum 250 words and the ideal time of writing an essay is 40 minutes. And if I talk about the structure, then it is like a burger. And guys, I'm not good at drawing, so hope it is still tempting. So first part is introduction and the last part is conclusion, and the stuffing is like a body paragraph. So we have to write two body paragraphs, body paragraph 1 and body paragraph 2. So here is one statement. So guys, here is our statement. Many people today are worried about the young children using video games. What problems might these games cause? How could these problems be reduced? So after reading the statement, the next step is read it twice. Yes guys, what most of the students do after reading the statements, they immediately start writing the essay, which is incorrect approach, because if you will start writing it immediately, then there are chances that you can misinterpret the statement. So you have to read it carefully to understand the statement in a better way. So it is a problem and solution essay. So in this essay, we have to elaborate what problems young children and society have to face owing to the fact that these days children are playing video game at an alarming rate, and how this problem can be reduced. The first step is reading the statement carefully, and after reading it you have to do planning. Planning is a paramount important part of essay. It is well said that better planning is your half ending. So you have to take approx 3 to 4 minutes to plan your essay, because if one plans his essay in a better way, then definitely they are able to write it without any error, and your ideas will also be logical. So here are the problems. First problem is children become irresponsible. This is the main idea, and after writing the main idea, we have to elaborate this main idea by using how and why approach. We have to mention why children are becoming irresponsible, or how are they becoming irresponsible. So they get distracted from their studies. It means these days we can also observe that in every home and in every neighborhood, children keep on watching video games for long hours without paying attention to their family members and to their relatives. Even they also ignore the most important part of their life, that is studies. So they perform poor in their academic part. Not only this, the children also become violent and they also start yelling at their parents. So this is one of the major drawbacks of this phenomena. The second problem is that children live sedentary lifestyle. The sedentary means still lifestyle without any activity, without any physical movement. So the obesity rate among the children has increased owing to the fact that children are playing video game for long hours without any physical movement, and they have become couch potatoes. And they get trapped by various ailments such as insomnia. Insomnia means lack of sleep, then high rate of stress and poor body posture. So these are the main problems. So third problem is they get isolate themselves from the society. Yes friends, children do not want themselves to get disturbed by their parents, by their friends, and they want to concentrate on their games only. And there are various games which cause an addicted effect on the children, for example PUBG and other games also. So after determining the problems, we have to find out the solutions to mitigate these problems. So first solution is that parents should lead by example. It means parents should also set example in front of their children. So instead of watching web series on Netflix, YouTube, and watching television for long hours, parents should accompany their children. They should play outdoor games with their children, and if they will act as friends, then definitely children will also reduce their screen time, and instead of watching video games, they will inculcate their interest in outdoor activities. And second solution is that school authorities must inculcate the interest of students toward the physical activities and sports. So these activities should be mandatory in the schools, so that in schools at least students could live away from this digital media and at homes also they could play outdoor activities. And teachers can also educate the children about the detrimental impacts of excessive digital games. Detrimental means harmful impacts. And third solution is that government can ban the games which are of addictive nature. So these are the solutions which can overcome the bad impact of video games. So guys, this is how we have to plan our essay. So now, in the next video I'll discuss how to write the introduction. So I have written that introduction with various ways to facilitate the students. Hope this video is helpful for you. So guys, please share this video with those students who really need help in IELTS. Your one effort can really help the students in achieving their desired band scores.